All right, guys, still not sure what's going on with the camera, but it is still me. So we're going to now jump into our skill model for this lesson. So, again, our learning objective is that after learning about the genre of informational text, readers will identify and describe characteristics of informational texts. So, the purpose of informational texts is to inform readers to gain knowledge and understanding about subjects or individuals. And this is different from fiction or poetry because it's based on fact. So, the goal is to inform you or teach you about something. So, some of the text features that you might see in an informational text are graphic features, which are visual tools like photos or charts that clarify. Research, which is when authors investigate subjects to provide accurate information. They don't want to teach you about something and it be wrong. Specialized vocabulary. This is where we might have those complex terms, those difficult words that are explained with definitions to ensure clarity. And also it demonstrates or shows that the author's expertise. It shows us how smart the author is and what they really know. And it ensures that the descriptions are accurate and correct. Some other features that we might see are facts, which are indisputable pieces of information forming the foundation of the text, meaning this isn't just a guess. We know that this is true. And statistics, which is numerical data offering insights into larger patterns or groups. So some examples, and I realize I misspelled that, oopsie, examples are population counts of TV audiences, right? So when they say this many people watched this show, that's an example of a statistic. So the informational text that we're going to read in this unit is Hatshepsut, His Majesty herself, and that's a historical account, and we're going to be focusing on research for that text. We're going to be reading Everybody Jump, which is an essay, and we're going to be looking at the graphic features there. We're going to be reading Donna O'Meara, which is a biography, and we're going to look at the specialized vocabulary. We're going to read Dare to be Creative, which is a lecture, and we're also going to be focusing on specialized vocabulary. And finally, we're going to be reading Margaret Burke O'White, which is a biography, but our focus there is going to be research. So, some reading strategies we can use when reading informational texts. We can use definitions to understand new vocabulary. We can locate statistics, like look for statistics, and graphic features to support our comprehension. And we can reflect on new information that we gained after reading. Now it is time for your Cornell Notes summary. Go ahead, remember 2 to 3 sentence starters or 2 to 3 sentences if you don't want to use the sentence starters for your summary, and then you are good to continue on.